going to be showing you how to dress and undress a Yogibo Mini. First, what you're going to do is locate the zipper, which is at the bottom of the bag. Then, you're going to zip it open, making sure when you're taking it out that you're pulling the cover away from you while pulling the beanbag towards you to allow for easier removal. Keep doing this until you're at about the top of the bag, and then from there you can grab this cover corner and just pull, allowing for very easy removal. Now set your cover aside. Our beanbags have a locking zipper. This means that when you sit down, it's not going to zip open, getting bead everywhere. In order to open these, you can use a bread twisty, zip tie, paper clip, or a toothpick. now I'm going to show you how to get it dressed. Flip it so it's standing up, chop it down the middle so these corners are pointed up. Then you're going to take your cover, flip it inside out. You can just reach your hands in there, flip it inside out like so, and then again, reach your arms in so they're in each corner of the bag. Now you're going to grab the corners and kind of flip the cover over, pulling down while pushing the beanbag up into the cover. Keep doing so down the bag. Once you get a little ways on the bag, you can grab the bag by the middle parts and shake it to get it in the cover easier. Then flipping sides, repeating. Now that you're kind of at the end, you can reach your arm inside and pull the cover taut so that way your corners of the cover line up with the corners of the inner. Now, again, shake your bag in. Now that's up here, you can push your bag down and just zip it up like that. Fluffing it up a little bit, poking the corners out. But yeah, that's how you dress and undress Yogibo Mini.